This unit right here, it drives itself. Hey, here TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Folks, I've got one bad TMG pit for y'all today. Now, this is going to man Dan, and Dan custom ordered this unit up a little over a year ago. He's been waiting very patiently for it, and we finally got it knocked out, about to load it up, ship it down to Texas for him. But this is one y'all got to see before we let her go. So this is a Copperhead 84 by 36 with a hot box, insulated firebox, off-road package, but it doesn't stop there. All right, we've got a full kicker marine audio sound system. We're talking 4 speakers, 10-inch sub, 1300 watt amp, big old Scar audio battery on there. And we went ahead and, now typically, okay, your Copperhead 84 and off-road package, it's about a 6-man job to move around. This unit right here, it drives itself. Okay, we got forward, reverse. We got your handbrake up here, brake the front axle, because he wanted to be able to move around his backyard, roll it up on his trailer, take it to events by himself or just with another person instead of having to call the whole dang neighborhood over there to help him move it. So fully automated smoker with a brake, forward, reverse, kicker audio system. Let's check out the actual smoker itself. Now this is a reverse flow. So we've got removable reverse flow plates in here. Now the way we build this, we actually don't put a middle strap in here, so you got 2 full sliding trays in there, ton of cook room in this unit. 3 of those removable reverse flow plates. Now we did do a stainless steel front shelf up here, 2 cup holders on the side. Open up our hot box here. Obviously on the big Copperhead, you get a huge hot box, 6 sliding trays in here. We do have sausage rods up in the top as well. Come around on the back side here, we've got one of his custom stainless steel logos there, Seasoned and Smoked Craft Barbecue. Also, he named this bad boy Angus, so we got an Angus logo right there, fire magnet cradle with the TMG torch charcoal chimney in there. Some custom air intakes on the door there, D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. We got one more custom stainless steel logo back here along with a fold down stack. This sucker is tall, so we're gonna be able to want to fold it down to roll it in and out of the trailer in the garage. So guys, that is Dan's Copperhead 84 heading down to Texas. One heck of a build here. We really enjoyed putting this one together. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.